boys and girls. This week we are reading the story, Mama, I'll Give You the World. It's a realistic fiction story, so it sounds like a story that could happen, but it has made-up characters. This week we don't have a spelling city assignment, but I do want to go over some vocabulary words with you. We have bouquet. It's a bunch of picked flowers. Emotion. Emotion is a strong feeling like love, hate, happiness, sorrow, or fear. And circle means to form a circle. Express, to say or show something. Fussy, hard to please or picky. Portraits, pictures of people usually showing only the face and upper part of the body. Sparkles, shine in bright flashes. And whirl, turn or spin around. The skill I want you to focus on this week is a review. I want you to focus on the problem and the solution of a story. So when you identify the problem and the solution in a story, it can help you understand the characters, setting, and the plot. The problem is what the characters want to do, change, or find out. The solution is how the problem's solved. So I'm going to read this little excerpt of this story here, and we're going to just practice picking out these things so that you can kind of focus on these as you're reading the story this week. Sadie watched her teammates whirl and spin in front of her. Her emotions were all over the place, and it showed in her basketball playing. If only she and her brother had not argued this morning about the game. What's so important, Richie, that you can't be at the game? Don't I matter anymore? Sadie had asked. So the first thing we're going to do is to pick out the characters. We have Sadie and Richie. Sadie's mother was also mentioned in it earlier in the story. We didn't see that part. And then we want to find the setting of the story. So it talks about teammates and basketball playing. So obviously the setting would be a basketball court. And then so what's the problem? Or the situation, the thing that needs to be solved? Her emotions were all over the place, and it showed in her basketball playing. If only she and her brother had not argued this morning about the game. So there's the problem. So kind of be looking for these things as you're reading, Mama, I'll Give You the World. I'm going to be sending you a form for you to fill out while you're reading, so it will help you to identify character, setting, etc. for the story.